Alright, we're at the prayer furnace in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Look at this. This actually used to be a Nelnet, whatever that is. Look what they also have. That goes up to the second floor. Also, I'm sorry I don't have my actual camera, so we're gonna have to film this on my iPhone. At a later date, I will film on my real camera, though. It feels like it's been sitting well. It's quite under level. Look what we have. Virginia elevator. So now let's go to 2. Nice motor. Also, this property used to be a mini mall of some kind. We're gonna get our cab view. It's older. I mean, the blue, maybe from the 1990s, but I can't confirm that. There's your Virginia elevator logo. There's that. Oh, they have 2 elevators here, or at least more than one. Now, these are EPCO buttons if I haven't said it already. Non-ADA compliant telephone. Alright. Got the bumper. There it goes, and that's it. The machine is in here. Yes. Alright, as you can see, this used to be, look at that, a gray BG10. Emergency exit button. This doesn't work anymore.